Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be part 3 of our master bathroom makeover. In this video we are going to be getting this shower completely ready for tile and working on a couple other things in the bathroom here, and I'll also show you the tub that we got. So I hope that you enjoy today's video. Before we get too far into all of that, I wanted to show the footage from our little hiking adventure that we went on the other day, just for something a little bit different. I thought I would put this in right here at the beginning, so I hope that you enjoy. Going for a little hike is one of our favorite things to do on the weekends after a long week of work and home renovations. This is a way that we can relieve some of the work stress and have family time in the fresh air. Now, of course, any stress that we might get from work is very mild compared to what I know a lot of people are going through. Some people are going through some extreme anxiety and stress right now and just need to talk to someone. So that's why I wanted to share BetterHelp with you all. So BetterHelp kindly sponsored today's video, which we are so grateful for, but I'm also grateful that I get to share this with you, and I hope that it can be a help to someone. BetterHelp is the world's largest online counseling service. It's professional counseling done securely online, so this service is available for clients worldwide. You'll click that link down below and you'll go through the sign-up process, and BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your licensed professional therapist. After you sign up, you can start communicating within 48 hours. You can log into your account anytime and send a message to your counselor, and you'll get a timely and thoughtful response. Plus, you can schedule weekly video or phone sessions, and you can get 10% off your first month by clicking the link down below, betterhelp.com/happyhome. That's better, HELP. And I'm grateful that I got to share them with you today, and I hope that it can be a help to someone. Okay, so now let's get into part 3 of the master bathroom makeover. These first few clips here at the beginning were filmed over the last 2 weeks. Jalen did a little bit of work here on the floor of the shower and also on the floor where the tub's going to go. So he did the little step here for the shower with the 2x4s. He was doing some work to the concrete floor here in the shower, and then he also had to fill in some of the concrete over where the tub's going to go. Now, out on the main area of the bathroom where that red concrete floor is, we're going to have to do a self-leveling concrete out there because that floor is not level in spots. So we're going to have to do that before we lay down the floor tile. And you guys should be seeing us lay tile in this bathroom hopefully in the next bathroom makeover video. So part 4, we're hoping that we can wrap this up end of May, but we'll just see. This stuff can take a long time. When you're doing it yourself, you're doing it as a DIY, definitely takes a lot longer. So as Jalen was laying this concrete here on the shower floor, he was trying to get it to slope just a little bit towards that middle drain, just to be sure that all the water would flow easily towards the drain. And he taped on this level to this board so that he could be sure that the slope was even all the way around. And now he's working over here where the tub is going to go. He has to fill in this hole over here with concrete. And of course, when we do the self-leveling concrete, we'll bring it over here as well, just to get all of this nice and even. Right here is where our freestanding tub will go, and that did get delivered the other day. Right here I'm showing you some footage of that. We've just got it sitting on the back porch right now, but hopefully here soon we'll be installing this, so stay tuned for that. In the next video we should have a lot of major things happening. In the next video I'm hoping to get this whole entire bathroom painted. We're gonna have to do a little bit of work to some of the walls before we can paint, but once we do that, then I can start painting in the next video. I already have a color picked out, and then hopefully we can do the self-leveling concrete on the floor, lay tile on the floor, and just get a lot done in the next video, so stay tuned. Like I said, hopefully we can wrap up this bathroom at the end of May, but we'll just see. Okay, so the next step is to put down a shower pan liner on the floor before we can put anything on the wall. So Jalen put down a thin set concrete on the floor here, and then we're going to put that liner right on top of there. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed seeing each step of this DIY bathroom makeover. Instead of just putting it all in one video, it's fun to take you step by step with different parts like this. Once we get the bathroom completely finished, I'll do a complete bathroom makeover and we'll do from start to finish in just one video. But in the meantime, it's fun to take you through each detailed step just to see how much actually goes into a bathroom renovation. I feel like this phase right here of just prepping everything is probably the least interesting, but like I said in the next video, a lot more changes will be starting to happen in the bathroom. Now that the prep work will be mostly finished after this video, we can start paint and tile and all of those fun things. So yeah, it's just fun to go through the whole process with you all. So originally Jalen was going to put concrete board on the walls in the shower, but then he decided to go with water resistant drywall because it's so much easier to work with, easier to cut, less of a mess. So that's what we've got right here. He got several sheets of this at our local hardware store. He had them in the back of the truck, so we just hauled them from the back of the truck back here to the back porch where we could measure and cut, and then we could just haul them right in the door of our master bedroom. Our master bedroom does have an exterior door, but we had to put down a plastic walkway from the door, the exterior door of the bedroom, all the way to the bathroom. And while we've been working in here with the plastic on the floor in the bedroom and having to push the wheelbarrow through the bedroom to get it to the bathroom and hauling stuff out with demoing and everything, we actually really wish that we would have done this bathroom back when we were doing the major renovations of the house. Because this bathroom was such a huge renovation with gutting everything out of here, we didn't do anything this extensive in the other bathrooms, but we had just decided to save this bathroom for last. And I guess originally we weren't going to take out the vanity or the mirror, but that just kind of happened as we started the demo of this bathroom. But this whole renovation house has been a learning process. We've learned so much through all of this, but we are excited to get this bathroom done and see how it all turns out. back when we first started this bathroom, I know that I said that we were going to cut this wall over here to the right down a little bit, at least halfway, just to help open up the bathroom a little bit, bring some light into the shower. But we ended up deciding to just leave that wall there. It was after we had got the bathroom all demoed and we were just kind of feeling a little bit overwhelmed, kind of felt like we had bit off more than we could chew, and we just didn't want to make even more work and headache with trying to find a piece of glass to go there and stuff and having to tile around a wall and everything. So we decided we're just gonna make it easier on ourselves, leave this wall going up to the ceiling, that way we don't have to have the ceiling patched or anything. And then also I have a spot to put hooks for towels right here on this wall. And yes, we did move the shower head over to the exterior wall, but even if we wouldn't have cut this wall in half, we still would have wanted the shower head on the exterior wall, just so that you could actually see the nice matte black shower head and stuff when you're in the bathroom, and it just kind of makes more sense for it to be on the exterior wall. So yeah, we just got a little overwhelmed and decided to make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Jalen got this little shower shelf box. I can't remember the exact name of these, but he got this from Home Depot and it was around $50, but it's worth it because he doesn't have to frame out a little box like this. He was able to just insert this right here up against the drywall, and then he'll just tile in there when he does the shower tile. I think we've decided that we want to do bigger rectangular tiles on the walls of the shower, and then the floor of the shower will be some type of smaller tile that comes in a sheet, like either round tiles or hexagon, something small like that, and then we can take that same small little tile and do it just inside of the box. And after Jalen installed that box, he was kind of wishing that he would have got one that was a little bit bigger and more of like a rectangular long box that we could have fit more soaps and shampoos in, but it's fine. It'll help us downsize how many bottles of soap and shampoo that we have in the shower. And I also want to do a skinny little stool in the corner of the shower, possibly, that we could put stuff on there as well. There was so much stuff and quite a mess in this bathroom that we wanted to go ahead and clean up here at the end, which this just happens with home renovations, but we wanted this bathroom all cleared out because the next step is going to be paint on the walls, and then we have to do the self-leveling concrete on the floor, and then we can get started on the floor tile. And Jalen still does have a few little things that he has to finish up in that shower this week. He has to do the waterproof strips in all of the corners and waterproof all of the cracks and where the screws are and everything, and just do the finishing touches in there to get it completely ready for tile. that is all that we have for you today. Sorry today's video was a little bit shorter than normal, but that's just how this week went. So I hope that you still enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next episode in this series because paint is going to completely transform this bathroom, but that may be a few weeks out because next Saturday's video will be back in the kitchen completely finishing that up. So stay tuned and thank you again so much for watching. Bye.